If you've ever felt frustrated with cookware that doesn't live up to its promises, you'll be thrilled to discover this Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick 13-inch Deep Skillet with lid. Known for its high performance and durable cookware, Calphalon has redefined nonstick technology with their Premier Hard-Anodized line, offering a skillet that's built to last, delivers superior cooking results, and is versatile enough to handle every culinary challenge you throw its way. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced home chef, this skillet promises to take your cooking to the next level. Why the Calphalon Premier 13-inch Deep Skillet is a must-have in your kitchen. The Calphalon Premier Hard-Anodized Nonstick 13-inch Deep Skillet with lid is a standout piece of cookware that offers everything you need in a high-quality skillet. With its durable construction, MineralShield nonstick technology, and versatile design, this skillet elevates your cooking experience and allows you to tackle any recipe with ease. Whether you're sautéing, searing, simmering, or baking, this skillet offers exceptional performance every time. Here are a few reasons why you should consider adding the Calphalon Premier Skillet to your kitchen collection. 1. Durability. The MineralShield nonstick technology is 5 times more durable than previous generations, ensuring long-lasting performance. 2. Versatility. With its oven-safe design and deep 13-inch capacity, you can cook a variety of meals, from one-pan dishes to family-sized meals. 3. Easy cleanup. The skillet is dishwasher-safe and features a non-stick surface that ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning. 4. Temperature control. The skillet can withstand high heat, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking techniques, including browning, searing, and simmering. Number 5. Lifetime warranty. The Calphalon Premier Skillet comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Key features and benefits. 1. Revolutionary MineralShield nonstick technology. The standout feature of the Calphalon Premier 13-inch skillet is its MineralShield nonstick technology. This unique technology has made the skillet 5 times more durable than its predecessor, the Calphalon Classic, ensuring long-lasting performance that you can rely on. The non-stick surface is crafted with some of the hardest minerals on Earth, making it metal utensil safe. 2. Durable 3-layer non-stick interior. Built to withstand everyday use, the Calphalon Premier Skillet features a 3-layer non-stick interior. The 3 layers are designed to create a tough and resilient surface that resists wear and tear while providing exceptional food release. The added strength means that your cookware will last longer even with frequent use and the occasional use of metal utensils. 3. Oven safe. Up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatility is key when it comes to great cookware, and the Calphalon Premier Skillet delivers just that. With its oven-safe design up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this skillet seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven. Whether you're starting a dish on the stove and finishing it in the oven, or baking a one-pan meal, this skillet can handle it all. Its heat tolerance makes it perfect for dishes that require both stovetop and oven cooking, such as frittatas, casseroles, or braises. 4. Generous 13-inch deep size. The Calphalon Premier Skillet features a 13-inch deep design, offering ample space for large meals, family-sized portions, and multi-serving dishes. The deeper sides allow for extra capacity, making it perfect for cooking up batches of pasta, stir-fries, soups, or braises without worrying about splattering. 5. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe design. One of the most time-consuming tasks after cooking is cleaning up, but Calphalon has made that easier with the Premier Skillet's dishwasher-safe design. While hand washing is always recommended for preserving non-stick cookware, the skillet is safe to go in the dishwasher when you're short on time. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't cling to the pan, making cleanup even easier. Conclusion: the ultimate skillet for every home cook. If you're looking for a skillet that combines durability, versatility, and performance, the Calphalon Premier 13-inch Deep Skillet with lid is an excellent choice. Its MineralShield nonstick technology, large cooking surface, and oven-safe design make it perfect for everyday cooking, while its durability and easy cleanup ensure it will remain a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, the Calphalon Premier Skillet is built to meet your cooking needs, providing you with the confidence to tackle any recipe. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.